In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in QuickBooks Online. If you need to update the currency setting in your QuickBooks Online account, the process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online company file, since changes made in settings will apply to that account. Once you're on your QuickBooks dashboard, look toward the top right-hand area of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the account-level settings and tools. After the menu opens, select Account and Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can review and manage important details for your business profile. On the Account and Settings page, find and click the Advanced section. This area contains additional configuration options that affect how your QuickBooks account works behind the scenes. Scroll until you see the Currency section. If your screen is collapsed or showing only summary information, that's completely normal. Next, click Edit, which usually appears as a small pencil icon next to the Currency section. This will allow you to update the current setting. Once the editable fields appear, look for the Currency drop-down menu and open it. From there, select the new currency you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct currency, since this setting can affect how financial information is displayed in your account. It's always a good idea to double-check before saving any changes, especially in accounting software where even small adjustments can impact reporting and day-to-day bookkeeping. After selecting your new currency, click Save to apply the update. QuickBooks will then store your new setting, and your account should reflect that change going forward. And that's it. The full process is simply opening the gear icon, going to Account and Settings, selecting Advanced, editing the Currency section, choosing your new currency from the drop-down, and saving the change. If you're following along in your own QuickBooks account, move slowly and confirm each selection before you save. That helps prevent mistakes and ensures your settings match what you actually need. Thanks for watching, and that's how to change currency in QuickBooks Online.